The house sits on a unique lot in the center of Israel. It is a 1,946 square meter in size lot and looks up to a wide open view of shallow hills and agriculture fields. The entrance outdoor space is covered by an extended roof, creating a patio and a very intimate space at the entrance to the house. The entrance hall is a point of junction in an L-shaped plan house. A linear outline look of the facade is created by the straight metal line of the long roof edge and the long base of the stone floor that floats 15 centimeters above ground level. Here's a look at the plan. The floor continues smoothly from in to out, and the roof's lower level that goes down to 280 centimeters creates a cozy feeling and proportions of space on a human scale. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.